Good morning students, welcome you all to e-learning classes of ALPHORES. In this session we are going to solve problems related to extreme values and inequations. Now our first problem, if x is real, then the range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 is okay. As now consider it is y, let y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Okay, cross multiply y times of x square minus y times of x plus y is equal to what? X square plus x plus 1. As all these terms bring into as left hand side, yx square minus x square, y minus 1 times of x square. Now this is minus x minus, this is what? Minus x of y plus 1 or minus y plus 1 times of x. This is minus x minus yx. As I took minus common, minus of y plus 1 times of x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in x, as since is given x is real, since x is real, as means what? X is real, as that implies b square minus 4ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. That implies what is b here? As minus of y plus 1 whole square, that is y plus 1 whole square minus 4a is y minus 1, c is also y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. As once you expand, this is what? Y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4 times of y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. As this is y square minus 4y square minus 3y square, as minus into minus plus, this is what? 8y plus 2y 10y. Now minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Now your leading coefficient is negative, multiply with minus 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. When we should multiply with minus, in equation will be changed, it is a greater, no? As here we got what? Less than. 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Yes, here factors 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay, as now first two terms there is a common 3y, that is what? Y minus 3. Okay, now minus y 1 of y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Total what is common? Y minus 3 of 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Clearly, as x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0, x lies between the roots. Now one root is 1 by 3, other root is what? 3. Therefore 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. Therefore what is range? As a range of this expression, as range is equal to 1 by 3 comma 3. Here minimum value is 1 by 3 and maximum value is 3. Okay students, this problem we can do in simple method also. Okay, if x is a real, then the range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Okay, yes, if f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c by ax square minus bx plus c, or ax square minus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here x coefficient positive, here negative. Now these two are same. Here x coefficient is negative, here what positive. These two are same, and delta b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then the minimum and maximum, then the minimum and values of f of x are given by formula f of plus or minus root over c by a. Yes, so now this is our form ax square plus bx plus c by ax square minus bx plus c, or ax square minus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. In this delta is less than 0, then the minimum and maximum values of f of x are given by f of plus or minus root over c by a. Now this is very clear. X square coefficient, x square both are same, here constants both are same, but x coefficient is what? Here 1, here minus 1. Clearly our question in the form of f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c by ax square minus bx plus c. Now let f of x is equal to, what is our question, as x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Okay, minimum is what? Minimum and maximum. Therefore as minimum is equal to f of as what is that, plus or minus root over c by a minus root over c. What is c here? 1, a is what? 1 by 1, that is nothing but f of minus 1. Keep minus 1, therefore 1, this is what? Minus 1 whole square is 1. Now this is minus 1 plus 1 by, this is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, your answer is 1 by 3. Yes, we got as minimum is 1 by 3. What is maximum? As maximum as is equal to what? F of plus root over c by a. C is what? 1 by 1. Now this is very clear. F of 1, in this case 1 as plus 1 by 1 minus plus 1. Your answer is what? 3. Now this is the minimum, this is the maximum. Therefore what is range? That is equal to 1 by 3 comma 3. 1 by 3 comma 3. Okay, whenever our question in the form of ax square plus bx plus c by ax square minus bx plus c, or ax square minus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c, what is minimum and maximum values of f of x or f of plus or minus root over c by a. Yes, okay students, next question, if x is real, then the range of x square minus 3x plus 4 by x square plus 3x plus 4. Yes, clearly it is in the form of ax square minus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. Now as what is minimum, what is maximum? Let f of x is equal, what is f of x here? X square minus 3x plus 4 by x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay, minimum and maximum. Minimum and maximum. Minimum and maximum values of f of x. F of x are as f of plus or minus root over c by a. That is clear. F of plus or minus root over c by a. Now what is the minimum, what is the maximum here? Therefore minimum as is equal to f of plus, because here minus, no, as definitely you get a plus root over c by a. What is c here? 4 by what is a? 1. This is equal to f of 2. What is f of 2? Substitute here 2 square 4 as minus 6 plus 4 by, this is what? 4 plus 6 plus 4. This is equal to 2 by 14. What is that? Minimum 1 by 7. Minimum 1 by 7. What is the maximum? as maximum is equal to f of minus root over c by a, that is equal to f of minus 2. Yes, now substitute minus 2 here, minus 2 whole square for minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 by 4 minus 6 plus. Okay, students, f of minus 2 is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 4 by 4 minus 3 into as 2, that is minus 6 plus 4. This is equal to what? 14 by 2, as this value is 7. Okay, minimum we got 1 by 7, maximum we got 7. Therefore, range this is equal to 1 by 7 comma 7. Sometimes they will ask maximum or minimum. Minimum is what? 1 by 7. Maximum is what? 7. Okay, students, move on to next question. If x is real, then the range of 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, let y is equal to 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Take LCM. This y is equal to, what is LCM? 3x plus 1 times of x plus 1. Now this is 1 times of x plus 1 plus 1 times of 3x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, now this is minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Y is equal to x plus 3x 4x plus 1 by as 3x into x 3x square, 3x into 1, 3x plus x will become 4x plus 1. Now cross multiply, as this implies y into 3x square, 3y x square plus 4yx plus y is equal to 4x plus 1. Now as 4x, bring this side, 3y x square plus this is what? 4y minus 4 times of what? X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in x. Since x is real, as that implies b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, delta equal to 0, real and equal, delta greater than 0, real and distinct. Both the cases x is what? Real. That's why as we have to take b square minus 4ac is what? Greater than or equal to 0. That implies what is b here? That is 4y minus 4 whole square minus 4 times of a is what? 3y into c is what? Y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, as 4 bring outside, it will become 16 4 square, that is what? Y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 4 3s are 12, as y times of y minus 1 is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Yes, there is a 4 common, as take outside, this is what? 4 of y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 3, as y times of y minus 1 is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now for 0 by 4 is 0, that is 4 4s are and 4 3s are 12. Okay, one more step here, as multiply 4y square, that is what? 4y square minus 4 2s are 8y plus 4. Okay, minus 3 times of y into y, 3y square, and minus into minus plus 3y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now this is 4y square minus y square, 3y square will become y square, minus 8y plus 3y will become minus 5y, as plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5, as now this is y square minus y minus 4y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. This implies you take y square, this is what? As y square minus y minus 4y is minus 5y minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. therefore you take y common as y minus 1 minus 4 common, y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. What is total? Y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. As whenever this quadratic equation is greater than or equal to 0, therefore y does not lies between the roots. Roots are what here? 1 comma 4. Therefore y is less than or equal to 1 or y is greater than or equal to 4. Therefore what is range? That implies y belongs to minus infinity to 1 as close, because equal is there, union, this is what 4 to infinity. As now this is the range of range of given expression. Range is equal to what? Minus infinity to 1 as union, this is what 4 to infinity. Okay na? As we have to find like this the range of that expression. And so move on to next question. If x is real, then the range of tan x into cot 3x, range of tan x into cot 3x. Okay, let y is equal to tan x into cot 3x. Cot 3x, y is equal to, this is what, tan x by what is cot 3x is nothing but what, 1 by tan 3x. You know very well, as this is tan x by what is tan 3 theta, that is 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 1 minus 3 tan square x. Here as now tan x is common, y is equal to what is this? Tan x by, yes, here 1 tan x is common, tan x of 3 minus tan x by as 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, here tan x get cancelled, therefore y is equal to 1 minus 3 tan square x by 3 minus tan x. 3 minus tan x. Okay, now as cross multiply, as this implies 3y minus y tan x. Y tan x as is equal to, y tan x is equal to what? As y into 3. 3y minus y tan x, because this is what? Tan square x. This is 1 minus 3 tan square x by 3 minus tan x, no? Y into 3. 3y minus y tan x is equal to what? 1 minus this is what? 3 tan square x. 3 tan square x. Okay, tan x by tan 3 theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, just you take tan x common, here we are getting tan square x here. 3 minus tan square x by 1 minus 3 tan square x, this is also what? 3 tan square x. Therefore 3y, this is what? 3 as y minus 3 tan square x into y is equal to 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now as now 1 bring this side and y tan square x take into RHS side, as 3y minus 1 as is equal to what? 3y minus 1 is equal to here what? Y minus 3 of tan square x. Tan square x, this implies what is tan square x? Tan square x is equal to 3y minus 1 by y minus 3. As we know, tan square x is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, since tan square x is always greater than or equal to 0, this implies 3y minus 1 by y minus 3 is also greater than or equal to 0. Means product of these two as greater than or equal to 0, as y minus 3 into 3y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Both are positive or both are as negative, their product will become always what? Positive. Now as the roots of this as never lies between the roots, because here roots are what? One is 1 by 3, other is what? 3. Now this is 1 by 3, 3. Therefore y is less than or equal to 1 by 3 or y is greater than or equal to 3. Therefore y belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 3 close, union what 3 to infinity. Now this is the range of tan x into cot 3x. Here we have to know tan 3 theta formula, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now as here tan x is common, 3 minus tan square x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now 1 minus 3 tan square x bring into numerator 1 minus 3 tan square x by 3 minus tan square x. From this we go to tan square x, but as we know tan square x is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore as this expression is greater than or equal to 0, therefore y belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 3 union 3 to infinity. So students, move on to next question. If x is real, then the least value of x square minus 6x plus 5y, x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, let y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. Cross multiply, as here yx square plus 2y times of x plus y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. 6x plus 5. Now all terms bring into left hand side. We have yx square minus x square, y minus 1 times of x square. Here what 2yx minus 6 means 2y plus 6 of x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Clearly it is a quadratic equation for every x belongs to R, as real b square minus 4ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay na? As this implies what is b here, that is 2y plus 6 whole square minus 4a is what y minus 1 into c is what y minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Once we expand this, this is what 4y square, as 4 plus 4 into 6, this is what 24y plus 36. Okay na? Minus 4 times of as this is what y square minus 5y minus y minus 6y plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, yes, this is what 4y square cancel, this is 24y minus into minus, that is what as 24y, what is that, 48y, 36 minus 4 5s are 20 means plus 16 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, yes, what is this, 16 is common. Now this is 3y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0, 3y is greater than or equal to minus 1, y is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 3. Now this expression is what, greater than or equal to minus 1 by 3 means what is the least value of that expression. Therefore the least value of x square minus 6x plus 5 upon x square plus 2x plus 1 is minus 1 by 3, as this is the least value of that expression. So okay students, move on to next question. If x is real, then the maximum value of 3x square plus 9x plus 17 upon 3x square plus 9x plus 7. As once you observe clearly, as here 3x square, here 9x, but only constant is different here 17, as and upon there is a 7. Now as we have to write like this, 3x square plus 9x plus 17 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. You can write 3x square plus 9x plus 7 plus 10 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Now this total by this total is what, very clear, 1 plus 10 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Whenever a and means leading coefficient and x coefficient both are same, only constant is different, as whatever in denominator we have to construct in numerator, that is what 7 plus 10 is 17. Now this upon this is clearly 1 and 10 by this. Now we have to find the maximum, means what, 1 plus 10 by this is what, a quadratic expression, leading coefficient is positive. Now this is a minimum, as therefore as 1 by minimum will become maximum. Therefore 1 plus 10 by what is the minimum of this? As here very clear, a is equal to what? 3 greater than 0, as we have a minimum. What is minimum? Minimum is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. What is 4? 4. Here what is a? 3. As c is what? 7 minus b square is what? 9, means 81 by 4 into a. A is what? 3. Now 4 3s are 12, as 12 7s are 84 minus 81, what? 3 by 4 into 3. Now what is the minimum value of this quadratic expression is what? 1 by, as 4, 3 3 cancel, it is clearly 1 by 4. Now this is what? 1 by 4. Therefore 1 plus 10 into as 40, as answer is what? 41. Therefore as the maximum value of 3x square plus 9x plus 17 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7 is 41. Students, move on to next question. If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1, then the range of AB plus BC plus CA is, okay, he gave a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. Now we have to find the range of AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, as already we know a square plus b square plus c square is equal to now as 1. Now you take a plus b plus c all square. It is always perfect square, it must be greater than or equal to 0. Once you expand this, as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA is always greater than or equal to 0. This value already we have. This is what? 1 plus 2 times of what? AB plus BC plus CA greater than or equal to 0. This implies 1, bring that side. Therefore AB plus BC plus CA is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Means what is the minimum value of AB plus BC plus CA is what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, minimum this is. Now we have to find maximum, because we have to find a range of that function. As next we have to take a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is also as always greater than or equal to 0. Perfect square, perfect square always positive. If a equal to b, b equal to c, c is equal to a, your answer is 0. Therefore total this expression must be greater than or equal to 0. Once you expand, a square plus b square minus 2ab, here what? B square plus c square minus 2bc, here c square plus a square minus 2ca greater than or equal to 0. Now here a square 2 times of a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 means minus ab minus bc minus ca is always what? Greater than or equal to 0. To send that side, yes, what is this? A square plus b square plus c square minus of ab plus bc plus ca is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Now this value we have 1 minus of AB plus BC plus CA greater than or equal to 0. This implies what is this? 1 is greater than or equal to what? AB plus BC plus CA. Now maximum value of AB plus BC plus CA is 1 and minimum value of AB plus BC plus CA is what? Minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to AB plus BC plus CA is always less than or equal to 1. Therefore what is range? Range is nothing but minimum is minus 1 by 2, maximum is 1. Okay, now this is the range of AB plus BC plus CA, students. As students, next one is quadratic inequations. Okay, as what is quadratic inequations? If ax square plus bx plus c be a quadratic expression, be a quadratic expression, then ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, or ax square plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0, or ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, or ax square plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0 is called a simply quadratic inequality, or quadratic inequation is called a quadratic inequation. If ax square plus bx plus c be a quadratic expression, then greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than 0, or less than or equal to 0 is called a quadratic inequation. Now, as we are going to solve some quadratic inequations. Students, move on to next question. The range of 5x plus 2 is less than 3x plus 8, and x plus 2 by x minus 1 is less than 4. We gave two quadratic inequations. Okay, now we have to find the range of these two as inequations. First one is what? 5x plus 2 is less than 3x plus 8. This is the first one. Now 3x bring this side. 5x minus 3x, 2x is less than 6. Now what is x is less than 3. Now this is the first inequation. Now comes to second inequation. X plus 2 by x minus 1 is less than 4. Don't cross multiply, because we don't know whether it is positive or negative. Positive means no problem, but it is negative means inequation will change. As 4 bring this side, that is what? X plus 2 by x minus 1 minus 4 is less than 0. Take LCM. LCM is what? X minus 1. Now this is what? X plus 2 minus 4x minus into minus plus 4 is what? Less than 0. This implies 2 plus as 4, this is 6 minus 3x by x minus 1 is less than 0. As there is a common, as minus 3 is common, minus 3 of x minus 2 by x minus 1 is what? Less than 0. Now as multiply with the minus, therefore x minus 2 by what? X minus 1 is greater than 0, because the 0 by 3 is 0, but here we have minus, we have to multiply with minus, inequation will be changed. Now less will become more. Now this is positive means x minus 2 into x minus 1 is always greater than 0. As x minus 2 into as x minus 1 is what? Greater than 0. As now roots never lies between 1 and as x never lies between our roots, what our roots are 1 comma 2. Therefore clearly x is less than 1 or x is what? Greater than 2. Now this is our second inequation. Now we have to write the range of both equations, means we have to write common solutions for 1 and 2. What is common? As now draw one real system. This is what? 0. As now this is minus infinity, as this is what? Infinity. What is x? X is less than 3. Here 1, here 2, here 3. X is what? Less than 3 means here 2 here. As now this is the value of x is less than 3. Now 3 2 as here. Now comes to second equation, x is less than 1. Here what? 1. Now x is less than 1 means this is the as our portion. Next one what? X is greater than 2. Here 2 is there. X is greater than 2 means here 2 here. Now what is common as a portion from this real line? Now less than 1 means minus infinity to 1, and what is this? Less than 3. 3 to what? Minus infinity. Next one what? More than 2. 2 to infinity. Now this portion is a very clear common portion for our as inequations. Therefore what is range? As range is equal to very clear 2 to 3. Both are open. Now this is what? Minus infinity to 3. This is what? 2 to infinity. This is what? Minus infinity to 1. Total common portion is very clear here. 2 to 3 is the common portion. Therefore, the range of 5x plus 2 is less than 3x plus 8, and x plus 2 by x minus 1 less than 4 is what? 2 to 3.